How to apply, and what's permitted with a Schengen visa. In today's video update, we'll be going through the application process for the Schengen visa. A Schengen visa is a short-stay, C-type visit visa for Europe. It permits the bearer to journey around the Schengen area, encompassing 26 EU member states.
The UK
points-based
immigration system.
ending free movement.
But change is coming. The change is coming.
The various purposes of a Schengen visa comprise airport transit, business and work, short study, tourism, or family visits. The visa duration will be at the discretion of the respective embassy and depend upon elements such as the history of the applicant's Schengen visa. The validity of the visa is only for a short stay, allowing the bearer to remain 90 days maximum in any period of 180 days in the Schengen area. Please note that Bulgaria, Ireland, Romania, Croatia, and Cyprus are not included in the Schengen area. What is the application process? A Schengen visa application is made to the primary destination country's visa processing center, or the relevant embassy. This will either be the country where you will spend a majority of the time, or the country of first entry. The obligatory documents for the application will vary according to the intent of your travel and the country you are applying from. Following the submission of the application at the appointment, it would usually take about 15 days for the decision to arrive. It is essential to understand that appointment slots are more difficult to come by during busier times, such as summer. What business activities are allowed? Schengen visas for business and work visits authorize the bearer to perform particular business activities. However, it prohibits any sort of employment and activities that would be regarded as work. Acceptable activities can differ according to the country. However, permissible activities generally include the following: attending seminars, conferences, and site visits, concluding contracts, and, in some circumstances, permit some services to be offered associated with a purchase, supply, or maintenance of equipment. If the worker must execute economic activities exceeding the scope of the permissible activities, according to the standard business visit, they may be allowed to do so, with extra measures. This will depend on the visiting country and individual cases. The steps will include gaining additional approval from the government agencies to authorize such activity explicitly. What are the required documents? The documents list required for a business visit visa will depend on the individual's circumstances. Let's take a look at the generally required documents, which are as follows. Form for the Schengen application. Passport must have been issued within the last 10 years, valid for a minimum of 3 months after the trip ends, including 2 blank pages. Residence permit, if you are applying from a country where you are not a citizen. Passport-sized photo. Travel itinerary and travel tickets with return. Travel insurance of a minimum of €30,000 and valid for all Schengen member states. Proof of address, utility bills, bank statement, council tax, etc. Recent, original and signed letter from your employer. Original, recent and signed invitation letter from the inviting company. Proof of adequate funds, sufficient to support your entire stay. Accommodation evidence, hotel booking. We have reached the end of today's video update. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.